Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry Gambell with SimplerTrading.com, and in tonight's free video, I wanted to bring you a slightly different outlook from what I am generally focused on. Obviously, I very much enjoy trading options, and that is the primary focus of what I do. But with tomorrow bringing the employment data before they open, we kind of need to see how that opens, and then we can start making assessments on the rest of our positions. But I thought I would bring you three charts that just kind of have a really unique outlook. Now, I don't know what the entirety of 2020 is going to bring, but in going with the flow and kind of just going with what has been happening, it kind of feels like we could rally into the end of the year. Now, of course, there will be big corrections along the way, but I point that out to you just because I think charts like this are very interesting. Now, maybe you buy options out in December and you just let them ride. Maybe it's something that you keep on your stock watch list and you try to pick it up if we get a bigger decline. But it's a hard thing to do to argue this trend. So we're looking at Pool Corp, the world's largest wholesale distributor of swimming pool and other related outdoor products. I think, what recession when you have products like this that are doing so incredibly well? But, all opinions aside, you've got a weekly squeeze that is fired long, a chart there, pretty much every pullback has been bought. So I just think that's kind of compelling. I don't know that I'm going to do anything with it right now. It's kind of interesting into their earnings report, but I think that you would buy that all the way back down into 200 and just see what that trend is willing to give you. So that's one name. Then you've got another with WD-40 Corporation. Kind of off the beaten path, right? Something that a lot of us probably use in everyday life. And I just think, wow, you look at that chart and it's, for lack of a better phrase, it's flawless. Yes, there are pullbacks, which to some degree you've got to have in a healthy market. But look at the same thing, where you've got a weekly squeeze that is coiled, a trend that is nicely moving higher, and it's kind of the same thing. Give it some time to digest the $200 price point. We'll need to get through that psychological value, but the path of least resistance is very much higher. And I think that's a name that you continue to try to buy on pullbacks. And then one last one with KDP. So this is an interesting merger. And, as I mentioned, these are a little bit different names. They may not be for everyone, but I just think it's another type of product that if you want to kind of sit in something, maybe just hold some shares and really be patient to see what the end of the year brings, I think they're worth your consideration. If nothing else, there's some pretty solid weekly squeezes that will be worth following in the months ahead. So I hope that's helpful, offers you something a little bit different than what we're always looking at. We'll see what this employment data looks like first thing on Friday morning, and then we will update from there.
Hey traders, it's Danielle. I'm so excited for my upcoming short interest secret class. I like to trade using low risk, high reward, multi-leg option strategies that allow traders to take advantage of anywhere between a small, medium, and large size account. I'm so excited to tell you about the hottest strategy in the market right now and the tool that I've been using to nail it. Join me on February 8th so you can learn how to ride a short squeeze. Make sure you sign up and I'll see you there.